Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss the meaning or concept of advertisement, and further we are also going to discuss the various types of advertisement in detail. Now let us first understand the basic meaning of advertisement. See, we all know that it is one of the important elements of promotion mix. The other elements of promotion mix are personal selling, publicity, public relations, and advertisement also. So, according to American Marketing Association, it is any paid form of non-personal presentation. Yes, it is firstly a paid form, okay, and it is a non-personal presentation. That is, we don't know her our audience. It is very huge audience, and it is not in front of us. We just have to show the ad to them, and they can be anyone. And it includes not only the promotion of goods but also various ideas, services, also then events, places. It can be anything which can be marketed, right? So advertisement is basically a paid form of non personal communication, and not only includes goods but also ideas, events, services, and whatnot. Now let us discuss the various players in advertising. The first one is sponsor. Sponsors are basically all those players who are financially supporting your event or your ad. They are actually paying for your ad. Okay, they can be a college, okay, a school, a company, retailer, wholesaler. Okay, they can be anyone who is financially supporting your cause or your activity. Now, advertising agencies, yes, they are very important. See, they have the responsibility of developing the ad. They prepare the script. They have the responsibility of placing the ad in front of audience. Okay, so they have a very important role. They are basically the script writers of the ad or an event. Okay, now comes is the media. Media, yes, media has a very important role because it will be only broadcasting your ad, right? Be it print media or any kind of transportation media. We see various ads on many transportation facilities also, na, like trains, buses, auto rickshaws. So it is mural bro- advertisement, and then print and broadcasting television. Okay, so media has a very predominant role in this because it is the one who is eventually going to show our ads to the audience. Okay, so choosing media in a very sagacious way is also very important. Now consumers are basically the actual buyers of a product. They are the one who will buy a product. Okay, so it is very important that we position a product in a way which suits their requirement. Okay, so consumers play a very important role because they are the actual buyers of a product. Now coming on to various types of advertisement. See, on the basis of area or geography, we can divide it into local, national, and international. Local ads are basically for a smaller area, a local area, okay, and national for the entire country. Okay, the ad is being shown in a national, a nation. Okay, and then international is for many countries. Okay, there are certain ads which are made for various countries. Okay, on the basis of target groups, professionals are like doctors, lawyers, teachers. Okay, these are there are certain ads which are targeted for them only. Okay, then traders, kids. We all see many ads which focus on kids garments. Okay, firstcry.com. then kids toys and whatnot, industries also. Okay, then on the basis of message, yes, the message that the company want to send, surrogate advertising. What is this? Basically, here the banned products are promoted through some brand of the same company, some other brand of the same company. For example, bagpiper soda promoting bagpiper rum or whiskey, right? Then public service, yes, there are certain ads which are done as a part of social responsibility by the advertising agencies or business organization or even governments also. Basically, their aim is to create a social awareness among the people. Okay, then cooperative also. Okay, it is also known as an advertising in which wholesalers, manufacturers, retailers share cost of advertising. Okay, so, what did we discuss? The various types of advertisements. They can be on the basis of area, locally, okay, nationally, and internationally, okay. That is in many countries. On the basis of target groups, the ads can target the professionals who are working, okay, traders also, kids, industries. Then on the basis of message, the message that they want to send to the society, that is the surrogate advertising, public advertising, cooperative, commercial, and many more. Now, what did we understand today? We basically understood the concept of advertisement. That is, basically an advertisement is a paid form of communication which not only includes goods but also various ideas, events, services. Okay, and also it is a non personal presentation because we don't know who our audience is, and they are not in front of us basically. They are huge. Okay, then players in advertising also. There are many players like sponsors. They are the one who are financially supporting our cause. Then advertising agencies. These are the one who actually are the backbone of our ad. They develop our ad. They prepare the script. Okay, ad copy and all these things are done by these. Then media is of course the one who shows our ads, who broadcast our ads on their respective media, be it print media, newspapers, journals, or your magazines, anything. Then consumers are actual buyers of the product. Okay, a company has to design an ad according to the needs and requirements of the customers. Okay, so that the customers are attracted towards that. Then we discussed various types of advertisement on the basis of area, okay, local, national, international, okay. Then on the basis of target groups, various industries, professionals, kids, ladies, traders, okay, teachers. On the basis of message, surrogate, okay, public service, commercial, NGO advertising is also there. Okay, so these are all the various types of advertisements which are done by a company or an organization to promote its products. Now let us discuss some questions. Which party provides financial assistance for the advertisement or event? A. Advertisement agencies. B. Sponsors. C. Customer. D. Stakeholders. So, what would be the answer for this question? See, we discussed that financial assistance is basically provided by, yes, you are right, a sponsor. A sponsor is the one who is paying for your ad. He is financially supporting your cause or event, right? So the correct answer for this question would be sponsor. Okay, now the next question: what type of advertisement focuses on creating social awareness among the people? A. Surrogate. B. Trade. C. Public service. D. Cooperative. See, public service advertising is basically aimed at creating a social awareness, meaning that it is telling the people that certain things should not be done. A message is basically sent to the people to avoid or to follow certain things. So, the correct answer would be public service for this question, right? So, this was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.